Hey guys, what's up? I'm SHRIJA here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing polymer clay charm with a mini cupcake house. So let's get right in the video and let's make it. So you will need some yellow polymer clay, some blue polymer clay, and a very little amount of red polymer clay. So first we're going to take the yellow polymer clay. And you have to roll the polymer clay, yellow polymer clay, like a cone shape. Not exactly like a cone shape, but as you can see what I'm doing. So my this clay was so much in quantity, so I lessened it out by cutting it in half, so you can see what I have made. Then you have to take some foil and make a small ball of it. And then you have to take that foil ball and put it on the like half the house. You have to put it on, and now you have to take the blue polymer clay and make like a round shape and then press it, circle, and then you have to put that on the foil ball. As you can see what I'm doing here, so it will look exactly like a cupcake. So here I have completed making it. This is the base. Now we are going to make the small details. Now for some more texture, I'm going to take a blade and make some lines on the cupcake. So guys, now I'm gonna take some red polymer clay. So we're gonna use very little amount. So I'm gonna make a cherry for the cupcake and put it on the cupcake. As you can see what I have done. So it's a house, of course we will need a door to get in the house. It's a cupcake house, so you're gonna take some blue polymer clay. You can use any color, but I have used blue. So now I have made a circle and I have cut it in a shape of a door. Now I'm gonna put it on the cupcake house. So it will look exactly like a house, mini cupcake house. So now we're gonna take very little red polymer clay, and I'm gonna make a small handle for the cupcake house. So here we go. Now I'm gonna bake it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I have baked it in the oven. And now for some more details, I'm gonna make a small cute face. I love making face on every polymer clay charm. So I will also make a collection of polymer clay charms video very soon. So I have made the cute face and I have made some sprinkles on the polymer clay charm, means a mini cupcake house. And here we go, it's done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see the video of this amazing DIY charm, let me know in the comments section down below. Bye guys, thank you for watching.